Okay, listen up. When it comes down to doing anything for the United States government, especially when it comes down to medical devices or medical supplies, it follows some strict guidelines. In the medical equipment that you will be doing, even though it's relatively minor, still has to follow these guidelines, and they were waived now. But if you want to continue providing to them, you got to adhere to them. And I'm going to give you a couple of the basics. You will hear the word good manufacturing practice, or GMP. Listen and remember that, GMP. And if there's a small c in front of it, like cGMP, that means your technology and your processes are up to date. So if an auditor comes in there and asks, are you cGMP? You would say yes, and you would provide all the documentations and all of the processes that says you are. Okay? In the real world, before coronavirus or COVID-19, before having any of your products available to sell, you must file what they call an FDA 510K filing. All right? And that filing has been waived for you, but if you did not, you would have to follow the standards based on 21 CFR, stands for Codes of Federal Regulation, Section 807. Okay? FDA 21, I'm sorry, the FDA, forget about that, 21 CFR 807. Now the material that you're using, also has to follow certain guidelines. The plastic material for the face shield has to follow 21 CFR 177.1580. Google this, both of this, and read the documentation. Or you can just forget about it now. The most important is to be sure that the material follows this. Okay? This is so important. Because if you put a material that doesn't follow this, then you could be in trouble. All right? Anyway, I've got some more stuff that I'm going to be showing to you. So hang on.